Want to remove a photo background in one click without Photoshop or any software? In this video, you'll learn 2 free websites that remove backgrounds instantly and give clean results. Let's start. Method 1, RemoveBG. First, open your browser. In the search bar, type RemoveBG and open the first website. Now upload your photo. Wait a few seconds, and the background will be removed automatically. After that, download the image. This is the before and after result using RemoveBG. Method 2, Adobe Background Remover. Next, open a new tab. Type Adobe Background Remover and open the website. Upload the same photo. The background will be removed automatically. Now download the final image. This is the before and after result using Adobe Background Remover. Difference between the 2 websites. RemoveBG is faster and very easy to use. It is perfect for quick edits and simple photos. Adobe Background Remover gives more accurate edges and better details, especially around hair and complex backgrounds. But it may require signing in for high-quality downloads. Both websites work online and require no software. If this video helped you, subscribe to my channel for more simple and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.